Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you think about YouTube and how an ordinary person, yes, even you, can finally become a YouTube superstar starting today. Imagine this. What if you could become a YouTube superstar without ever showing your face, without ever picking up a camera, without ever recording a single word in your life? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something. Be honest with me. How many times have you watched a YouTuber with millions of subscribers and quietly thought, that could have been me? You had the ideas, you had the passion. Maybe you even wrote down channel names. You planned your first videos in your head 100 times, but then life happened. And every time you tried to start, the same voices showed up. I hate the way I look on camera. I don't have time to film and edit. I'm too shy. What will people think? I don't have fancy equipment. I wouldn't even know where to start. So your dream stayed a dream, buried, quiet, waiting, year after year, birthday after birthday, while ordinary people no smarter, no luckier, no more talented than you, quietly went online and built channels you could have built 10 times better. Here's what most people miss. The biggest channels on YouTube right now, they don't have famous faces, they don't have million-dollar studios, they don't even have on-camera creators. Look at How to Basic, 17.7 million subscribers, no face. Brightside, 44 million, no face. The Infographics Show, 15 million, no face. These channels aren't winning because they're prettier or louder than you. They're winning because they figured out one simple thing. You don't need to be on camera to win on YouTube. You just need a system that publishes consistently. So the real question is, how does an ordinary person, someone who's shy, busy, or scared to be on camera, actually build a faceless channel like that? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Introducing YouTube Superstar, the first ever AI app that turns ordinary people into faceless YouTube superstars without ever recording a video, showing their face, or saying a single word on camera. This isn't another script generator. This isn't another chat bot. This is a complete done-for-you YouTube channel in a single app. Here's how it works. You log in, you pick a niche you actually love, motivation, history, mystery, money tips, true stories, weird facts, and whatever lights you up. You set your goal, views, subscribers, or income. Then YouTube Superstar goes to work. It finds the trending topics in your niche. It writes the high retention scripts. It creates the full video, visuals, animations, transitions, the works. It adds a natural human-style voiceover so you never have to speak. It generates click-worthy thumbnails. It optimizes your titles, tags, and descriptions to be found. It publishes straight to YouTube automatically day after day, which means no camera, no mic, no face, no editing, no experience needed. Just an ordinary person and a channel that quietly grows. And here's where it gets interesting. Once your channel starts publishing consistently, every video becomes a tiny digital employee, working for you 24/7, bringing in views, attracting subscribers, generating ad revenue, pulling in affiliate commissions, building your name while you live your life. You wake up to the notifications, new subscribers, revenue earned, your new video just went live and you didn't film it, you didn't edit it, you didn't show your face, you didn't even upload it. YouTube Superstar did it all. Beginner friendly, no coding, no technical skills. If you can send a text message, you can do this. Now here's the kicker. Most YouTube tools out there charge $49, $97, even $497 per month, and they only give you scripts. You still have to record, still have to edit, still have to upload, still have to optimize, still have to show up. But today, during this launch, you can unlock YouTube Superstar for a tiny one-time investment. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, no camera, no editing, no recording. Activate it once, use it forever. Fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it. Build your first faceless channel. If it's not for you, full refund, no questions, no hard feelings. So the real question is simple. Do you keep watching other ordinary people quietly become YouTube superstars while your own dream stays buried for another year? Or do you finally activate YouTube Superstar and become the one publishing, growing, and earning while you live your life? If you're ready to finally start the channel you've dreamed about for years, become a YouTuber without ever being on camera. Build faceless channels that publish on autopilot, wake up to growth. Instead of work, turn quiet effort into real subscribers and real income. Click the button below. Activate YouTube Superstar, your move.